We are here in the Kangpokpi district in Manipur. As you know that there are a lot of protests which are seen here because of the free movement initiative taken up by the central government. The people here have opposed that because they have stated that without discussion they are not going to accept the free movement. You can see a lot of locals here are gathered on the streets of Kangpokpi, and this is a bus which was damaged in one of the protests. The public is now here. They are trying to tie up the ropes there. They're trying to take this bus out on the main road. There is resentment here going on because of the peace free movement which was imposed, and they have stated that they are not going to accept it without discussion. And as a result of that, there is discussion ongoing right now with the civil society organizations such as the KOTU, along with the MHA officials and other central government officials. But the situation on ground remains tensed in Manipur. You can see a lot of people here have gathered, women and locals have gathered here. They are trying to push this bus back to the road, to block the road. This road blockades are ongoing here in the highway. The National Highway 2 is also blocked, and because of that there are a lot of problems happening as far as essential supplies are concerned. The public is quite angry here. You can see here they are trying to push this bus, and we are going to show you these exclusive visuals. Let's see how the bus is being pushed, and this is a very dangerous situation that this is happening here in Kangpokpi, and you can see here how the public has come out in large numbers to push this bus. This is a very sensitive situation happening in Kangpokpi, and you can see here how the bus is being pushed. You can see here, this is the situation in Kangpokpi right now, wherein the bus has been pushed, and you can see what is happening on ground here. The public is quite angry with whatever that has happened, along with the protest. This is all going here. They have totally opposed the free movement, and as a result of that they have blocked the road. We are going to speak with the public as well as to what to think. Hello ma'am. So lot of public have come out. Doing the demonstration. Why are you guys on the street? What is your cause?
Because there is still shutdown is going on.
Yeah.
We are trying to block the road now.
Okay,
Till now our dead body is also lying.
What is your demand to the government?
We need justice.
Okay, you can see here the public has come out in large numbers. They're trying to block the road because they are not supporting the free movement regime. This is exclusive visuals on ground. The people are, a lot of people here gathered here. They are quite resentful of whatever that is happening, and this shows you the intensity of the conflict or the violence that is ongoing in Manipur.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.